Hi, I'm Dr. Neha Chhasatia. I'm an endodontist practicing at Surat. This is my third workshop in Sir's trilogy of finance, practice management, and dental record keeping and informed consent making. Our graduate and postgraduate courses only teaches the technical aspect of dentistry, and the equally important soft skills are left untouched. Bhavdeep sir is doing an amazing job filling the missing blocks in the big picture by conducting courses on these. Sir is an institution in himself. He not only delivers more than what he promises, but he also leads by example in every aspect of life, not just dentistry, but the work life balance, relationships, personal growth, sports, leisure, everything. And the sheer energy and dedication with which he conducts the workshops, the one to one sessions, as well as the consistency with which he posts on three different topics on the WhatsApp groups, the little chunks of knowledge that he posts every Sunday without fail is something that just cannot be described by words. I now consider my dental education complete and, of course, upgradable under Sir's guidance in future. Thank you very much, sir, for being who you are and touching our lives. Thank you so much.